The starting equation is x equals 0. So whatever y equals to, x is going to be still 0. So I'm going to draw a t-chart, and x is going to be 0. So I'm going to draw 3 zeros, and then y could be whatever number you want to be. So I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we have a graph, and we know x is 0. So the line of the y is going to go straight up the y-axis. So since x is 0, we're just going to mark the y's. So the y is 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to draw a line straight up, and the line is going to go forever. And that is how you do example 1.
Alright, so now we got 2, x is equal to 2, and y equals to 1. So we want to figure out what direction the line is going to go. So we want to get some more numbers. So we're going to flip the equation around and make it 2y over 2. So we're going to divide this by 2, along with the other numbers. Alright, so we got that far, right? So now, we're going to have to subtract those. So, we need to pick but first we need to pick a variable for x. So, let's try 3. So, 3 times x is equal to 3. So, we're going to get 9 over 2 minus 8 over 2. So, obviously, we're going to get negative 1 over 2. So that's our first one. So let's plug that in right there. So when x is equal to 3, this will equal negative 1/2. Alright, so now we're going to erase that work. And we're going to work from here. Alright, so now we need to plug in another variable. So let's go back 8, 2. Oh, let's erase the rest right there. Alright, so 8, 2 minus 3, 2 over x times x. Alright, so now we're going to pick another variable. Let's do 4. So, times that by 4. It's going to get us negative 12 over 2 minus 8 over 2. Then, that's going to get us to negative 4. So, negative 4 over 2 over 2. It's going to be negative 2. So now we got where our line's going to go. Alright, now we got our numbers. So we're going to start graphing. So our first one is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So we're going to go up 2 and then over 1. Let me put our point there. Then our next one is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to negative 1/2. So we're going to go up 3 and actually back. This is going to be a little tricky. Back half a point. And then we're going to go to 4 and negative 2. So up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then back 2. So you can see our line is going this way. So just going to take this. There we got our line. Alright, so that's it.
Hello, I'm driving into San Francisco and it's 120 miles away. And I'm going 60 miles per hour, and so it should take me around 2 hours.